Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how to make a candle holder for Mother's Day. You can take any clear glass or mug like the one that I have here. I filled it up with some nice glass gems. You can get these at a craft store or dollar store, many places. Choose any kind of color that you like. I'm using a rose scented tea light that I'm just going to place in here. Then I'm going to build up some more of these gems around to conceal the metal casing of the tea light. Make it look a little bit nicer. If a little bit of it shows, it's really not a problem though. And they're glass, so they're safe to use around the candle. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this printed satin ribbon that says Happy Mother's Day, and I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue this onto the base. Just got to hold it in place for a moment while the glue dries, but it dries pretty quickly. I'm just going to put it in a few spots. Pulling the ribbon taut to give a nice neat look. You have to work quickly once you put the glue on because it hardens pretty quickly. And then once I get to the end here, I'm just going to snip this off. Just rearrange a few of those. Put a little glue here. And finish that up. And there you have a nice homemade candle holder for Mom for Mother's Day. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.